Fluke 120B series industrial ScopeMeter handheld oscilloscopes reimagine an industry favorite, designed for troubleshooting today's complex problems. A truly integrated portable dual-channel oscilloscope with dual-input 5,000 count digital multimeters, waveform display with automatic measurement intelligence. Discover elusive signals in recorder mode with Event Detect. New IntelliSet technology quickly analyzes waveforms and automatically selects proper measurements. View, collect, and store data in the cloud with Fluke Connect smartphone app. Learn more about the Fluke 120B series industrial ScopeMeter handheld oscilloscopes. Visit fluke.com.